In today's video, I will walk you through how to find QID in Salesforce. To begin, move to the top area of your Salesforce screen and locate the gear icon used for setup and configuration options. Once you find the gear icon, click on it to open the available menu options connected to your Salesforce account. After the menu appears on the screen, continue by selecting Setup. Salesforce will then open the setup page where different account settings, management tools, and configuration options are available. Wait a few moments while the setup page finishes loading before continuing to the next section. Once the setup page is fully visible, move to the search area usually located on the left side of the screen. Inside the search field, type Q. As you type, Salesforce will begin displaying matching setup options connected to queues and queue management. Continue reviewing the results shown on the screen and locate the option called Queues. Once you find the Queues section, click on it to open the queue management page inside Salesforce. Wait for the page to finish loading before continuing. After the queues page appears, Salesforce will display the available queues connected to your account. Continue reviewing the list shown on the screen. In this example, the first queue available in the list is selected to continue the process. Move to the queue name displayed in the list and click on the queue you want to review. Salesforce will then open the selected queue page where the queue details and configuration information are displayed. Once the queue page opens, move to the top area of your browser window and review the URL displayed in the address bar. Continue checking the URL carefully because the QID will appear directly inside the page link shown in the browser. The highlighted value inside the URL is the QID connected to the selected Salesforce queue. Continue reviewing the address bar until you locate the full QID shown on the screen. If the page takes a few moments to load during any part of the process, wait for Salesforce to finish updating before moving to the next section. Some setup pages may refresh depending on account activity and system response time. The process includes opening setup from the gear icon, searching for queues, opening the queue list, selecting a queue name, and reviewing the browser URL to locate the QID inside Salesforce. Once the QID is visible in the browser address bar, the process for finding a QID in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching.